Hello, you're welcome back. We just needed to take a short break just for people to catch up. So we've already put out the first video. That was the part one of this session as Igbo names of animals. So this is the second part. Then we'll go straight in. Spider o idide. Sorry, pardon that. Spider o udide. Earthworm idide. Grass cutter nchi. Toad or frog, owl, fish, azụ, horse, ịnyịnya, chameleon, ogwumagala, cow, ehi, pig, ezi, camel, ịnyịnya ibu, pussycat, nwaologbo, or pusu. I think pusu is just a borrowed word from the English language, but the real Igbo name for pussycat is nwaologbo. That sounds very long, so you can say nwaologbo for pussycat, or you can say pusu. So anyone that is easier for you. What animal have I now captured? We've done snail, eju or ejule, snake, agwo, fish, azụ, goat, ewu, dog, nkịta, sheep, atụrụ, ram, ebule, scorpion, akpị, lion, ọdụm, tiger, agụ, bird, nnụnụ, eagle, ugo, cock, okeokpa, hen, nnekwu, ọkụkọ, chicken. That's chicken, ọkụkọ, snail, eju, tortoise, mbe, monkey, enwe, bedbug, chinchi, tick, akọrọ, crocodile, agụiyi, monkey, enwe, chimpanzee, ọzọdịmgba. We're going to have a part 3 on this because there are so many more animals that we're going to bring into this. But for now, let's just keep learning the ones we've done. Let's keep listening. Let's keep watching this video. If there's any name of animal that you don't know in Igbo, you could just listen or watch these videos. It may be that we have captured the very animal you're after in these 2 videos. So please feel free to watch, feel free to comment, ask questions. Feel free to even recommend what you would like us to film or what you would like us to teach in this channel. Every idea, every suggestion is very much welcome. So I'll try to put out a video as soon as possible. Till then, you take care of yourself. Bye.